Slime Christmas tree ornament? Nutella with socks? Chips with money and an edible spider? Check out weird presents that the Grinch made for Christmas in our new video. Meet the Grinch. He lives in his own world without holidays and fun, and he's very happy the way things are. But not for long. Knock knock, it's a delivery of Christmas spirit. The kids have a gift for the Grinch. That's so cute! Hot glue 2 identical sponges together. Glue them with rubber paint and cover them with spray paint. Hot glue a ribbon and tie a bow. Add decorative snowflakes. The Grinch is not satisfied. That's not even a gift. That's just fluff. These kids are so rude. Shoo! Get away from me and my anti-Christmas. But it's not that easy to stop our happy girls. They get down to filling the house with Christmas spirit and bringing some Christmas vibes. There you go. The Grinch's mansion becomes a bit more cozy. And meanwhile, the Grinch is plotting something fantastical. And while the girls are decorating the room, he puts on last year's Santa costume. Christy is thinking about what else she can put on the Christmas tree. We need some unusual Christmas tree ornaments. Add contact lens solution to slime glue. Pour in baking soda. Mix slime. Separate one part. Add big and small glitter to it. And put the slime into a clear Christmas tree bauble. Run a ribbon through it. Color the other part of the slime. Add rhinestones and glitter. Make a few Christmas tree ornaments with glittering slimes of different colors. Christy brings some bright decorations. Wow! There's glittering slime inside of every bauble. A Christmas stress reliever on a tree. What a brilliant idea! The slimes are shining so brightly. The girls forget about their problems right away. But their main problem just came in dressed as Santa. The green owner of the house is not happy. What did they do to his house? The Grinch is allergic to everything Christmassy. But Christy wants to gain the Grinch's favor. Everyone needs a holiday, even villains get Christmas cards. Fold an A4 sheet of red cardboard in half. Trace 2 circles. And cut out the bigger circle with a utility knife. Attach green cardboard inside on the same spot as the hole. Apply glue to the smaller circle and cover the edges of the cutout with glue too. Sprinkle everything with glitter. Sign the card with a pencil and draw a picture of the Grinch. Color it with acrylic paint. Define the outlines with a thin marker. Apply glue to the Grinch's hat and sprinkle it with glitter. Define the fringe and the pom-pom with a glittering outline. Rub a candle into the green circle. Cover it with gold acrylic paint on top. Paint threads of the baubles on the cover of the card. Decorate it with bows and add snowflakes. The Grinch wipes off the paint to reveal the secret message. How cute! Merry Grinchmas! Well, if the girls want gifts this much, they will get them. The Grinch prepared something special for every girl, and he personally wrapped it with his green fingers. Come on, look what's hidden in here. Christy gets a sweet cupcake. Let's taste it. Melt a soap base and color it with brown food coloring. Pour it into a cupcake mold. Add blue coloring to some more soap base and let it harden in a semi-sphere mold. Join the pieces together before they harden completely. Color one more part of melted soap white and add glitter to it. Fill a syringe with this mixture and cover the cupcake with white snow. Apply edible pearl powder to make it shiny. Ew, that's gross! It's just soap! Jessica gets a photo frame. Frame a photo of your friend when she doesn't look very good. Wrap it like a gift. The frame is nice, but why did you choose this terrible photo of me? Do I actually look like this all the time? Let's see what Rosie got. This is a giant jar of Nutella. Yay! Paint the inside of an empty Nutella jar brown. Roll Christmas socks and put them inside. Hot glue a piece of foil to the rim. Cut off the excess. Wrap the jar in wrapping paper. Rosie gets too excited too soon. The Grinch put socks instead of chocolate. Do you like your presents from the Grinch? Aren't they adorable? It seems like the girls love their presents. That's great! And it's time for the Grinch to roll away from here. The friends won't let him run away like that. Nasty Grinch, give us presents instead. Quiet, quiet, Christmas terrorists. You will get your presents. The Grinch just found some in the kitchen. Let's see what we've got here. Christy is so excited to get a sleeping mask with a Grinch effect. Cut a Grinch's head silhouette out of green felt and a sleeping mask shape. Hot glue a piece of elastic ribbon. And fasten the pieces together with hot glue. Cut eyes and a nose out of black felt and attach them to the mask. Add a white part of the eye made from yellow felt. Draw a smile and pupils using a black marker. Add details. Wrap the present. That's amazing! This sleeping mask looks so good on Christy. She looks like a sleeping Grinch in it. Rosie opens her box to find chips? Pfft, you call that a present? Wipe an empty chips package. Fold fake banknotes. Fill the package with them and fasten the package with double-sided tape. Put it into a gift box. Rosie finds a treasure when she opens the package. She's incredibly rich now. Awesome! She can buy all of Christmas. And what's in Jessica's box? Deer horns! Attach a long piece of wire to a headband. Shape a deer antler. Fasten it with glue. Cover the wire with light clay and let it harden. Coat the antlers with white glue and abundantly sprinkle them with glitter. Cut ears of 2 colors from felt. Make a cut at the base and fasten them to make them more 3D. Hot glue the ears to the headband. Decorate it with holly leaves. Attach a strip of felt underneath. Cut 3 rings out of rubber acoustic insulation. Color them with acrylic paint. Put the horns and the rings into a gift box. These deer antlers look very nice on Jessica. Plus, you can play with them. They come with rings. It's a nice party game. Throw a ring onto your friend's horn. It will be so much fun. Christy got lost in the Grinch's house. You can't go very far in a sleeping mask. And she trips over the Grinch's feet. Oh my God! What is that? A spider? Finely crumble chocolate cookies. Mash the Barney cookies with a fork. Shape a spider's body and a head. Draw spider's legs on parchment paper with melted glaze. Add food coloring to shredded coconut. Break breadsticks at an angle and use melted chocolate to shape a branch. Coat the branch with melted chocolate and make its texture look like tree bark. Cover the body of the spider with chocolate glaze and add shredded coconut on top. Make holes with a stick and stick the chocolate legs inside. Attach white chocolate chip eyes with honey. Put cookie crumbs and branches into a fish tank. Make a cobweb from cotton candy. Add crumbled green glaze and put in the spider. Decorate the fish tank with a bow. This spider is so disgusting. It's the Grinch's handiwork. He will show you how to take care of your pets. The Grinch eats the spider. Ew! That's gross! The friends come when they hear a scream. What? Are you still here? The Grinch thought that he got rid of them a long time ago. Maybe you want a piece of a fresh spider? But the girls just scream and object. The Grinch spoiled their Christmas mood. All right. The Grinch can be nice. Here, take a useful present. Fill paper cupcake molds with sewing supplies. Place them into an empty cookie box. Trace the box on wrapping paper. Cut out the pieces you need. Wrap the sides of the box with a strip of paper. Use double-sided tape to fasten. Make cuts and fold the paper so that there aren't any wrinkles. Cover the lid and the box. Tie it with a ribbon. Don't be afraid! Take it! The girls open up the box. Are there actually cookies inside? But there's a handy sewing set instead. Well, not bad, Grinch. It seems like your behavior has changed for the better. It's time to say goodbye. One last gift from Grinch awaits the girls. Open it at home and don't spoil the surprise. Print out an image of a screen and the back side of an iPhone on wafer paper. Use food paints. Fold foil to make a few layers and shape it to be the size of an iPhone. Place the image of the back side of an iPhone onto the bottom so that it's facing downwards. Add a spoon of ground red pepper to melted strawberry chocolate. Pour the chocolate into the mold and place the printed screen on top. Take the iPhone out of the mold when it hardens. Even out the edges with a knife. Put the chocolate iPhone into a real box. Wrap it nicely. Christy can't resist, so she opens the present. Wow, it's an iPhone! And it's made out of chocolate. Let's taste it. Oh my God! It's gotten a pepper upgrade! Oh, the Grinch and his tricks! Did you like our weird Christmas presents? Then write in the comments what present you would like to give the Grinch for Christmas. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new magical presents on Troom Troom.